Yeah, Somali saying, look qawa, land high. Don't spell land.
So now, what can you tell someone? What can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? What's up, good people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you have missed me, and I've missed you too. My name is Claudia Works. For those who are new here, welcome. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. And basically, on today's video, I'm in the city of Eastleigh. I just want to interact with people and get the experience here. So come with me. Hey, it's okay, bro. So on today's video, I will be taking you around Eastleigh. You know, guys, I love Eastleigh, and I just want to get experience of this street. I've never been into this street, and yeah, I just want to walk around and show you what happens here, and we get the experience, we interact with people. Make sure you subscribe. Pretty, what's it? Noah.
Mrembo, natijama. Aguri.
What's that?
Sio boya.
Vipi bro? Unataka kuonekana hata wewe? Waambie wa subscribe to Claudia Works. Wa subscribe kwa Claudia Works.
Nataka kinegwa yani.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Unaonekana? Fiti. Bado tunapiga round. Napiga round. Haya poa. Unaonekana kwa TV. Unaonekana kwa TV. Unaonekana. Claudia Works YouTube. Haya bro.
Hai, tunaonekana kwa TV.
Unaonekana kwa TV.
Si kwa TV bwana, kwa channel.
Hi. Wow. I'm enjoying. Hey bro. How are you?
Kwa YouTube baba?
Yeah, kuja. Oh, this place is so sweet, guys. People are doing their business here. See, we have some bearers. If you come to Eastleigh, oh, some fruits here. Piti sana brother, neje? Kuja hivi. There is a guy who wants to greet me there. Vipi? Unaitwa nani? Tuko YouTube. Tunatembea kwa street, tunataract na watu. Pia mambo. Unaitwa nani? Leo nimeamua nitembee. Kuna nini? Claudia Works. How is Eastleigh? I'm trying to ask him how is Eastleigh, the experience here. Na unaisaje mtu mwenye ako mbali anataka kuvisit Eastleigh? Just visit Eastleigh, we have many opportunities, a lot of business. You can open your business. Sawa, thank you so much for your time. Fiti. Wow, guys. Let's keep on walking.
Check his eyes. Guys, kwa kamera.
Mko kwa kamera. Uko aje? Unataka kuonekana? Oh, sawa. So guys, that guy does not want to be seen on camera. I have to explain. to argue here. Ay, naje uko fiti au Isiolo? Unaweza nipaisaje mtu anataka kuvisit Isiolo? Unaweza nipaisaje mtu anataka kuvisit Isiolo?
Sana mahali Isiolo.
Kenya ndio mji hapo maidata.
Bidhaa kadhaa, mavazi, TV, simu, aina mingi sana vitenge, leso, yaani vitu kadhaa ambazo kuchona
na asante. Isiolo inakuwa safe? I'm trying to ask him whether Isiolo is safe,
Ndio mimi naongea bwana.
Sisi ni wenyeji wa Isiolo. Kuna more than 10 years Isiolo, sijaona ubaya wa Isiolo.
Wow, he has an experience of over 10 years here in Isiolo.
Sana sana saa wageni saa zingine labda hapa na pale labda unasikia mnatafuta kuomba pesa, lakini ni wale sasa yani hawaulizi wanaomba unataka kuuzia njia mahali uliza bodaboda ama taxi driver ama dereva wa matatu ama hawkers, lakini hao wengine wapita njia hao ndio sasa ndio unapata wanapoteza.
So bado kuna wizi hapa na pale kidogo,
lakini si sana.
Guys, he is trying to say that Isiolo is safe. So if you want to come to Isiolo, just know that Isiolo is safe. Kuna kitu naweza waambia apart from you? Welcome Isiolo. We have a lot of malls here.
We have a lot of money.
Kuja waambia we have a lot of money. Come. Naje bro?
Mimi niko vipi dada?
Uko fiti?
Ile iko sawa kabisa. Ile kwa kilo sawa.
Unaweza waambia watu waje wenye wanataka kuvisit Isiolo?
Isiolo za mahali iko safe. Mahali kazi tunafanya mzuri. Mimi zote najivunia kuwa soja. Na ni kazi mzuri. That's why unaona niko hivi. Hii kazi ambayo tunafanya ni kazi ambayo inakupatia morali. I'm very so happy. Kukutana na siku ya leo.
Sana uko wapi kukutana na mimi siku ya leo? Okay, make sure you subscribe to YouTube Claudia Works. Na kuanga hapo. Tunatembeanga kwa street bila rangi na watu.
Yeye ningetaka kuambia wenye wanakuja Isiolo kununua bidhaa, kama ni mzigo unataka kubebewa, tafuta mtu wa bodaboda.
Okay.
Unapata mali saa zingine inapotea wakati mtu anasafiri sasa nyumbani.
So,
unapata na mpita njia anakuambia nisaidie na mbao ama 50 ama mbao ya chai. Sasa anakuambia badala nikupee pesa, wewe nibebe hii mzigo kufika stage fulani, nipe hiyo mbao. Lakini sana sana unapata harakati ya ile jamu inakuwaka Isiolo, unapoteleana na huyo. So ukitaka bidhaa zako iwe safe, tafuta mtu wa bodaboda na utafute mwenye yako kwa stage. Hiyo mali yako itafika salama.
Okay, sawa. So wanaweza kukutrust.
Trust mtu wa bodaboda mwenye yako kwa stage.
So guys, if you are in Isiolo and you need some bodaboda guy to take you around, I will put his number on the bio. So introduce us, sema jina yako.
Mimi naitwa Samuel Karau.
Waambie unakuanga wapi?
Loyal Street, Loyal.
Kuna Hassan.
So if you want to have a bodaboda guy in Isiolo, make sure you meet what's your name?
Samuel.
Samuel. Yeah. But his famous name is Karau. If you come here, you ask for Karau.
Hata ukiingia YouTube search Karau bado.
Kuna senior.
Okay,
Senior apigie saluti.
Ako na OCS.
Na OCS.
Yes. Haya, kuna kitu naweza taka kuambia?
Just greeting.
Just greeting. Mwambie wa subscribe to Claudia Works.
Subscribe to
Claudia Works. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sawa, tutaonana. Bye. Wow. Guys, if you want to visit Isiolo, Isiolo is safe, guys. You can see how I'm interacting with people. And bear in mind that I'm interacting with people of all kinds. Be bodaboda guys, matatu guys, and everyone. So it means that Isiolo is safe. Piti, naje? Kopoa? We are live on camera. I'm Claudia Works.
Yes.
I'm trying to walk in these streets of Isiolo, and I just want to ask you, is Isiolo safe? 100% is safe. And what can you advise? Yeah, and what? Oh, this guy is so funny. Come here. We have not finished. Come. How can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Maybe someone is in America or in another country and they want to visit Eastleigh.
Actually, Eastleigh is the new Nairobi.
Eastleigh is within Nairobi.
Not within Nairobi. It's the new Nairobi.
It's the new Nairobi. Wow, that's new to me also.
That makes it okay. Give us 1,000. It's our city in the city.
Yeah. Oh, it's a city in a city.
Yeah, it's my city in the city.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow, guys, it's raining. It's raining. I have to get somewhere I can hide myself. I don't have an umbrella. Oh, wow. Yo. Hi, how are you? I'm Claudia Wag. You want to be seen on camera? Okay, thank you. So guys, people are trying to hide from rain. Hi. Oh, a lot of nice. So guys, you have to excuse. I have to excuse myself because of that noise. Wow, this is beautiful. Mambo, unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? Imaji, nataka kukuchukua. Wow, people are so funny here. Wow. The weather is not weathering here, guys. It's raining. Hello? The weather is not weathering anymore. It's raining, guys. Oh, unataka kuchukuliwa? Hi. What's your name? Mwanzia Kimani. Kimatu. Yeah. Unafanyanga biashara gani hapa Eastleigh? I'm trying to ask him what kind of business he does here in Eastleigh. He's a boda guy. Yeah, and there. No, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh?
It's very busy. From another county.
Okay.
To buy things. Yeah.
So is Eastleigh safe?
Yeah?
Is Eastleigh safe?
Yeah, it's very safe. Money is everywhere. Surrounding every Kenyan. Yeah.
So security is okay?
So usually it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Mwanzia. There is a boda guy who is trying to smile at me. Oh, we are on YouTube, sorry. We are on YouTube, eh?
Live?
Yeah, Claudia Wag.
Okay.
Yes. Hi, you want to appear on my video?
Yeah.
I'm Claudia Wag. What's your name? Unafanyanga biashara gani Eastleigh? I'm trying to ask him what business he does here. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Once you come here, you'll be, yes, that's one. About security? Wow. Security is, let's say the security is 50-50, eh? Okay. Anything else? Oh, okay. Thank you so much for your time. Make sure you check us on YouTube, Claudia Walks, eh? Claudia Walks. Yes, asante sana. Okay. So guys, let's keep on walking. Let's keep on walking. Guys, this is Eastleigh and you can see how I'm interacting with people. Fiti sana ukoje? Zuzi mama hapo tuangalie kidogo. Yeah. So that's the experience, guys, I'm trying to get here in Isiolo. Yeah? I just want to get a Somali person, a Somali guy or a Somali lady. I just want to ask him all about Isiolo. Oh, you want to be seen? Hi. Karibia hapa. What's your name?
My name is Kennedy Ouma.
Kennedy Houma.
Yeah.
Okay, what business do you do here in Isiolo?
I am selling juice.
Juice.
Yeah.
Where's your shop?
Shop from there, Eastleigh.
So guys, the shop is around there. Okay, now what can you advise someone who wants to visit Isiolo?
Eastleigh is a good. Now businesses are big. Money, more money.
Wow, Isiolo has got a lot of money. I've never... Okay, check your stuff on YouTube. Claudia Works, eh?
Yes.
Claudia Works on YouTube. Hi, bro.
Okay.
How are you? I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Do you stay around? Okay, what business do you do here in Isiolo? Security. Wow, security here is tight in Isiolo. So, once you come to Isiolo, make sure that the security is okay. Yeah. Kuja tujamalizana. Okay, we have to excuse ourselves because of that car. Okay, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Isiolo? The guy. Okay, subscribe to Claudia Works. We are on YouTube, okay? Claudia Works. Claudia Works on YouTube. Bye, mommy. Sasa, mbona unaogopa? Oh, utaongea? Hi. So let's keep on walking. Yeah. Vipi? Ukoje? I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. What's your name? Mbona umeenda? Come here. Wow, umeenda, tumekuona. Okay, unakwanga hapa. I'm trying to ask him if he stays around. Unafanyanga hapa. Okay, my name is Claudia Works. You can check myself on YouTube. We do street vlogs, interact with people. So, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Isiolo? Oh, unaweza patia mtu advice gani mwenye anataka kutembea Isiolo ama hii eneo ama hii mtaa?
Sema Isiolo kuko sawa, wewe na wewe.
Oh, unaniuliza
Isiolo kuko sawa, Isiolo kuko safe.
Waambie. Waambie. Ehe. Unaweza waambia watu waje kuhusu Isiolo. Isiolo iko sawa,
iko sawa. Biashara inaendelea vizuri.
Isiolo is okay, a lot of business is safe.
Pesa kwa wingi.
Oh, a lot of money. If you want anything, you can get here in Isiolo. Original, eh? Okay.
Dubai, China,
Canada,
Turkey,
Kila kitu.
Okay, you can get everything here in Isiolo.
inaitwa Moonlight. Utapata hapa kila kitu Moonlight na day to day.
So guys, if you want anything here in Isiolo, you can visit. Isiolo is safe. Yeah, thank you so much for your time. Unaweza tuangalia kwa YouTube Claudia Works. Sawa. Ni YouTube. Claudia Works. Claudia Works. Claudia Works. I can as well show you. Leta nikuonyesha. Sikuchukui. Funga YouTube nionyeshe.
Shika madam.
Oh, sawa. Nakuja. All the money.
Yeah.
Okay, make sure you subscribe. You can show your friends.
Wow.
So guys, they want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm getting fun from here and I'm happy. Wow, it's raining, guys. It's raining. Don't forget, we are in streets of Eastleigh. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers. Wow, it's raining, guys. It's raining. My camera is being rained on, but I think it's safe. I'm also being rained on. Wow. Sawa, bro. Hey, the guy is a bit tough. The guy is a bit tough. Walk with your umbrellas. Hello. How are you? Oh, I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. What's her name?
You're good.
Yeah.
My name is Aliza Gember. Gember is
Wow.
Gember. Ambula is Ambula. Gember. Yo.
Hi.
لو كنا نشهد أنا لو
Oh, it says that it's raining here in Eastleigh a lot. Okay.
This one is Gember. This one is Gember. This is Sulaiman.
They are trying to talk Somali and I don't understand the language, so guys, you have to bear with me. So I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Yeah.
Only Moka.
Oh, only Mukuka. Show them.
Somali saying. Yeah, Somali saying. Look what land high.
So now, what can you tell someone? What can you advise someone who wants to visit Eastleigh? Yeah. Niambia watu wasikuje Eastleigh. Na wewe unaweza waambia aje? Okay, sawa. Asante. Okay. Oh, YouTube Claudia Works, bro. Claudia Works.
Kama hivi 1K
tuko almost 5,000
5,000.
Yeah.
Sawa basi. 5,000.
Mtu wangu mambo? Poa. Mimi nimepotelea bana sikuoni kwa online.
Unaona online?
Hiyo si ndio?
We are at 2,000.
Hiyo sasa angalia. ID kata hiyo.
Subscribe.
Usijali kan.
Sawa.
See you again. Celebration moja. Messi. Ya Messi fans.
Hey guys. Hey vipi bro?
Haina shida hata naweza piga.
Unaweza piga? Tuambie majina yako. What's your name on YouTube? Claudia Works. Abdullah Roy. What can you advise someone who wants to visit?
Sasa onyesha hawa hii duka.
Yes, duka yake ndio hiyo. Ukivisit Eastleigh. Now
7 Street, shop number
And what can you advise someone who wants to come to visit Isiolo?
Welcome.
What's so special with Isiolo? Nini kizuri kuhusu Isiolo? Security. Isiolo iko aje? About the security? Hi mama. You are very fine. How are you? I'm fine, mama. I'm fine. I'm okay. What's your name? I'm Faith. You are Faith, eh? You stay around? I'm here.
Sema vizuri
What can you advise someone who wants to visit Isiolo?
I can advise him or her. Come to Isiolo.
Post YouTube gani wewe sasa?
Claudia Works.
Bwana niandikie hapa. Kuja, niandikie hapa jina.
Okay. Ewa mama endelea kuambia.
Baadaye sasa unaweka si ndio?
Anakuja kwako.
Ora Jayo. Jay. Ora Jay. Kale sidesa kuresa kale. Sema sasa wewe vile unataka.
Ushasema.
Wapi ni hapa? Una post.
Iko YouTube eh? Iko YouTube. Mimi iko YouTube. Ongelea Kisomali. Ongea Kisomali uambie Wasomali wenye wanataka kutembea Isiolo.
Hata mimi sijui Kisomali.
Unajua nini?
Kidarawa.
Hiyo nini? Ongelesha hao.
Nimwambiaje?
Waambie watembelee Isiolo. Isiolo ni kuzuri.
Wakuja na pesa mzuri. Tugonge bei.
Oh, if you come to Isiolo, you come with money.
Yeah.
Hi, mommy. My first time to interact with a Somali lady. Yeah, mommy, sema hi. Yes. What you can do and advise someone who wants to
Wacha niongee, wacha.
Wacha nikushike ukiongea.
Wacha hata mimi nashika.
Wacha nijishike nikiongea. Waambie.
Somali dukan ka mada ndo haisi baa.
Mami, wacha niongeleshe mami pale kidogo. Mami. Waambie basi.
Haya nyinyi wote mmesalamia. Unaona?
Mami tunakuja kwako. Mami, kuja.
Yes, watakuja hapa Isiolo.
People should visit Isiolo.
Dukan ka haisi
Kila kitu ndio hizi hapa.
Bei ni 350.
350.
Yes.
Na security iko aje?
Bei uliza.
Haja tu ni gugu.
Kuja uliza bei.
Nairobi msema iko sawa.
Mvua imenyesha.
Iko afya.
Mimi najua mahali wapi naenda kushona.
Uliza bei.
Okay, how much is this?
Bei ni hiyo ni 2500.
2500.
Hakuna duvet.
Kuna duvet, we have duvet, we have carpet. How much is the carpet?
Nategemea na size. 46 by 10 by 11. 30,000.
30,000 guys, make sure you want to come to
$30,000.
$30,000. Dollar money. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Claudia Works,
Leta
okay?
tu YouTube yako tuandikie.
Nishampatia YouTube yangu.
Huyu sana no haya nitaka please.
Yeah. Okay, asante sana. Na post leo. Okay guys. Saa 2 usiku ama saa 3 mkuu ya tuned.
Mpaka wapi mimi na
Katikati lakini sawa.
Si katikati.
ile mama nilikuwa nafanya.
Umeweka notification. Put notification ndio nikipost ikuletee pop up
Lazima, sawa.
Okay, umesubscribe?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Umezi unakula gani?
Relax, tulia bro.
Sasa tutembee tufikie hapa tena street tunde pamoja.
Wapi?
Hapa tena street hapa mbele.
Nakuja, wacha nitembee alafu
Haya nakuongoja hapa.
Haya, sawa. Vipi? Okay, mzuri. Nafanya YouTube, Claudia Works, eh? Nafanya YouTube. Guys, I'm getting a nice experience here. It's never what I thought, guys. It's never what I thought about Isiolo, and I'm happy. Being a real people. Wow. It's raining here. And we are just walking in the streets of Isiolo. I'm happy. I'm happy to be here today to interact with people. don't know whether you can see me on the camera. It's raining, guys. Ooh. Yeah. People are trying to package their items because of rain. So guys, I think I should end my video here. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here to this channel, and if you are watching for the first time, welcome and subscribe. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.